More snow's falling now. I'm hoping this storm will draw up more and more, but as of right now, I believe it's anywhere from 4 to 8 inches will fall tonight. Look at all that. Whew. More snow. The sky looks kind of different. It's like 2 inches on the ground. Snowball. Alright, we're back, and now it's going to be 2 inches an hour, and we're expecting up to a foot of snow now when it becomes Friday here. It's all falling down. It's a wonderful sight, if you ask me, and I'll see you then. It's coming down even better now. It's like a winter wonderland. It's a wet type of snow. It's everywhere. Right now I'd say there's at least 3 to maybe 4 or 5 inches of snow on the ground right now, and it's blowing on me. I'll come back and tell you later. Alright, we're back and there's more snow. This is not far from last one. But, yeah, I figured I'd show you the difference. It is really cold. It's like maybe 20 degrees. Well, getting close to 20. It's like 29 or 30. But yeah, another clip, and I will see you again next time. Huh? That's like 5 or 6 inches. Wow. That's absolutely a lot of snow. Look at that. So judging by my hand, it's about 8 inches of snow, I believe. So we got around 8 to 7 inches, which is a good bit. Alright, I'm gonna walk down there. See you then. Bam! Got some snow everywhere. It's all over the road. We're down at the creek. There's a lot of snow down here, and the creek's pretty much still moving. Other than that, we got a lot of snow all around here. Look at the sky and see it's clear. This storm's made it across a lot of the area. Now it's up towards Canada and Massachusetts and all that. We'll end the video again and see you then. Alright, let's do this. We're gonna start driving in the snow. Right now I don't even think I have brakes. My brakes don't really work. So my feet are gonna be the next option. That's why I ain't going too fast. I'm not about to go fast in this. Tires are already covered in snow. I'd say this is probably not even 10 miles an hour. If most at 10. You can see the all around the snow. Ice for days. Alright, so now it's pretty much stopped snowing now. We got plenty of snow. Well, not as much as we had in 2018, but good lot. Wow. Like, you can get the snow, look at that. A handful. It's a wet type of snow. You can build it into something. Look at it. You can see it. And boom. just goes. All right. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Have a great day and bye. All right, we have the snowman. We built this snowman. It looks epic, and you can see its face. And yeah, little snowman's on top. We can go around this thing. It's so bright out here. Like, you look around, the snow's melted a bit, but I think we'll be all right. And as for people that are watching my channel, thank you for watching it, and peace out.